How to send long videos on Facebook Messenger. Let's get started. Before anything, make sure you're using a fast and reliable internet connection. Sometimes long videos fail to send simply because of a weak connection. After that, open up Settings. Inside here, tap on your Apple ID. Scroll below, then tap on iCloud. Just like that, simply tap on Photos and make sure iCloud photo is turned on. Head back to your home screen and then open the Photos application. Now, select the video you would like to send. Tap on Share button. And just like that, you can simply tap on Copy iCloud link. Once it is copied, you can simply head back, then open up your Messenger application, and then go to a chat. After that, you can simply paste the link right over here and then tap on Send. The other person can now watch or download full video from iCloud. Now, another way is using cloud storage like Google Drive or Dropbox. You can simply open up Drive application or Dropbox and then simply tap on this plus button, tap on Upload File, now simply tap on Photos and Videos, and then choose your video and then upload it. Once the upload is completed, tap on the three dot. You can simply tap on Copy Link. Now go to Messenger and paste the link and send it. This method works even for large videos including gigabyte size files. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.